this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the right.
What's up, you guys? Back again with another video. So in this video we are going to be doing our makeup. I'm going to be giving a full detailed makeup tutorial. Okay, so right here you see me squeezing the life out of what's left in this primer. Baby, I'm gonna squeeze until I can't squeeze no more. Okay, so yeah, so I'm just gonna put that all over the face. I'm going to rub it in. It is going to be very tacky like. That's why I love this primer. I either use this one or the Milk, but the e.l.f. is definitely a dupe, so go get it. Okay, I've never used the pink one, but I heard it does the same exact thing. I've just always grabbed the blue, teal, green, whatever the color it is. So yeah, I'm just, you know, getting that all over. As you can see, I already did my eyebrows. I live on a main street, so you're gonna hear cars. Sorry, I have been trying to record this all freaking day, and now it's late and y'all still gonna hear the cars, so whatever. Bear with me. You gotta bear with me. Anyway, so yeah, dry it down. I gave my mom my fan because she be having personal summer, so I need to go get me another fan, so I had to just use my little hands. But now we're gonna go in with the foundation. I used Born This Way, Too Faced Spiced Rum. Boom, you see it pop it up on the screen right there. That is where I put my foundation. Then we're going to blend it out. I'm going to use a brush. Where's the brush? Get the brush, girl. Okay, boom. Speed this up because blend, 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 blend. So while you are blending, please make sure to get that neck, okay? Please don't forget the neck. You will look a mess. Get the neck, blend all the way down, and blend into your hairline for the best outcome. That's what I do. And yeah, keep blending. Blend until you can't blend no more, okay? Even when you feel like you're done blending, blend again.
Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit,
So now I'm about to go in with my concealer, also Born This Way Too Faced in the color Cookie. This shade is like 2, maybe 3 or 4 shades brighter than me. That's just my personal preference. And yeah, this is where I place it: my forehead, under my eyes, my chin, and on the sides of my mouth. So as far as blending, I go in with a damp beauty blender, and I do my eyes, my under eyes last, because I like it to sit for a minute. I usually let it sit longer than this, but like I said, I need to get me another fan, so yeah, let it sit for at least, you know, 30 seconds to a minute, whatever you prefer. That's just what I prefer. And just blend out. You're gonna look crazy, but keep watching. The reason I prefer to use a beauty blender is because, as you can see, as I'm blending, it's spreading so much better, and like, not better, but like, it's blending like butter, you know? When I use a brush, I feel like it takes up a lot of the product, and I like a lot of concealer. It's like, to me, the most important part of doing your makeup, because it really like just makes everything just come together. And yes, I know it looks crazy, I look a little ashy, but that's when you just keep going. If you don't look crazy while doing your makeup, you're doing it wrong, okay? So I'm gonna continue to blend this out under my eye, just like so. Tap, tap, tap. So I look a little crazy, like I said, super light, not my color, but what's gonna help is when I go in with my bronzer, it's gonna bring everything together, okay? And what I'm gonna use to set my face is setting powder, so you'll see. Just keep watching. So this is the setting powder that I'm using. It is Translucent Honey by Laura Mercier. I got this from Ulta, and this is the one that I use for my under eye. I absolutely love it. So as far as the setting powder, you see I added a little bit more to my right eye. I just like a bright under eye, so that's why I use honey instead of the translucent medium deep. The translucent medium deep powder is what I'm going to use for the rest of my face. And just, you know, to bring everything together. Any wet product that you use, you're going to need to go in with a dry product to set it in place. And I personally recommend Laura Mercier. It is my all-time favorite. If you have one that is better or cheaper, please comment down below and let me know. So this is a setting powder right here that I use for my forehead, my chin. I'm also going to put some more under my eyes just to not have it so bright, because I feel like it's a little too bright. But I usually don't always put it on top. It just depends, because sometimes it can get really cakey. So just, you know, being careful. Blow some off just like I just did, because you see how it's like the same color as my face. It just brings everything together.
Wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? So stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it.
So now I'm going to go in with my Mocha Mommy. This is my bronzer by Fenty. And baby, when I tell you this snatches my face together, yes. You do not need a lot, because baby, you're going to be looking like a little freshly baked brownie, okay? But I just love this bronzer so much. And I use it to contour my face. You're gonna see me also use it for my nose in the next clips. So yes, and that brush is from Real Technique. So now I'm going to take this eyeshadow brush. I'm going with that same bronzer to snatch this nose, okay? It is amazing. I love the way it comes out using this bronzer. So now I'm going to use my 35X Big Primpin' eyeshadow palette from Morphe to create a subtle pink glitter look.
Second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark blue, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all them other hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. Tell them what you know, what you see. You thought you was a nigga fucking bitches. Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with. They don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it.
Mwah. No balls.